We start this section by opening a 2D plot window. Tile the Algebra and 2D plot window vertically. We now plot two functions, y equals sine x and y equals x squared minus 1, in the 2D plot window. If we highlight both functions in the worksheet, Derive will plot both expressions. Let's say we want to determine the coordinates of an intersection of these plots. We can approximate it by placing the cross on a probable location. However, by moving or tracing along a plot, we can see the coordinate values more accurately. We can ask Derive to trace the plot of a function by selecting the Trace Plots toolbar button from the 2D plot window's command bar. The cross has now turned into a square or trace box and is on the plot of the last function we graphed, y equals x squared minus 1. If we now use the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard, the trace box moves along the function, allowing us a better look at plot intersection coordinates displayed in the status bar. One way to trace another function in the 2D plot window is to use the up or down arrow key on the keyboard. To stop tracing all plots and return the cross to its normal shape, turn off Trace Mode by clicking the Trace Plots toolbar button once more. We can create annotations or labels in the 2D plot window. Let's create an annotation for the graph of y equals sine of x. By clicking in the 2D plot window at the approximate location for the annotation. Now, click on the Insert menu and select Annotation. In the 2D plot window Annotation dialog box, type the desired annotation in the text field. In this case, we will type function 1. We can change the color of the text, and we can change the type and size of font. Let's use a 12-point Arial font. Note the position coordinates designate the current cross location. Now click on the OK button. The annotation now appears in the 2D plot window. If we are unhappy with its position, click on the annotation and drag it to a new location. To edit any aspect of the annotation, click on it with the right mouse button and select Edit from the pop-up menu. When the 2D plot window annotation dialog box appears, make your changes and click on OK. To delete an annotation, click on the annotation with the right mouse button and select Delete from the pop-up menu. To delete the most recent plot, click on the Delete Last Plot toolbar button. To delete all plots in the 2D plot window, click on the Edit menu and select Delete All Plots. In this section, we have learned how to trace, annotate, and delete 2D plots in Derive.